Hi guys, we're going to go over page 135, 1 through 10. We already did some of the problems, so I'll skip over 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then also go over 137. After this, we are going to do, I believe, some sort of a review. Um, so let's see how we do. Problem number 1, they have y minus 5 equals 2x minus 4, and they want us to find the error. So if I were to take the point out, I'd get 4, and then this would give me a 5. And that looks like their error. That was the point. They flip-flopped it. Problem number 2, y plus 1 equals negative x plus 2. Let's see, our point is going to be -2, -1, so they have that right. Oh, looks like their slope, the slope, there's just a 1 out front there, so the slope should have been -1, so that's where they made the error on that problem. Okay, then we're going to skip over to the back side and do 7, 8, 9, 10. On page 136, number 7, we have y minus 1 equals 2x plus 9. So our point is going to be -9, +1. We're going to have a slope of 2 over 1. So we graph it, -9, up 1. And then I'm going to go up 2, right 1. And that'll be my line of best fit. Number 8, we have y minus 2 equals -2 over 3x plus 1. So my point is going to be opposite of the +1, so it's -1, the opposite of the -2, so that's going to be +2. So that's my point. So -1, 2 is right there. And then I have a slope of -2 over 3. So from our point, we're going to go down 2, right 3. And here's our line. Make sure you connect and keep the arrows going both directions. Problem number 9. We have this. So things to notice, there should be a 1 right there if there's not anything in place. So our point is going to be opposite of +1, that's -1, opposite of -6, or +6, so that's -6. So if we plot that, -1, -6, it's going to be down there. And my slope is going to be -1 over 1, so I'm going to go down 1, right 1. And there's my line. Number 10, we have y equals 3 over 2 x minus 1. Okay, so notice that's all by itself, so you could make it look like this. This is the same exact problem. Oops, not making the wrong number down there, sorry. So our point will be 1 and then 0. 0 doesn't have an opposite, so it's always just 0. So 1 comma 0 looks like right here, where you go up 3, right 2. And there's our line of best fit. Okay, then we're going to be over on page 137. Page 137. And this is just a review of graphing. This first problem, this is set up this way. This is not a point slope, so this is set up as y equals mx plus b. So our y-intercept is going to be 0, -1. Notice the sign didn't change. It's only when it's in the parentheses. And then my slope is going to be 2 over 1. Sorry, my computer got goofy, so I had to reset it. So we're on problem number 1, so that's y equals 2x minus 1. Again, that's the y-intercept, so it's going to be 0, -1. Notice the sign didn't change. And we have a slope of 2 over 1. If we graph it, 0, -1 is down here. Our slope's going to go up 2, right 1. Connect the dots. Problem number 2. Again, this one's set up. That's my y-intercept, so 0, 4. Notice it stayed the same sign, which is here. And then we have a slope of -1 over 3. So I'm going to go down 1, right 3. Problem number 3, still continuing on the same type of problem. So this is my y-intercept at 0, -5. Again, notice the sign didn't change when it's set up this way, which is down here. We have a slope of 3/2. It's going to go up 3, right 2, make my line. Number 4, we have y equals -3/5x plus 3. So my y-intercept is 0, 3. Notice the sign did not change when it's set up as y equals mx plus b. My slope is going to be -3/5. So down, right 5. There's my line. Number 5, we have 2x plus 4y equals 8. This is set up a little different. Remember, we had the x and the y-intercept. So that's going to be blank, 0, 0, blank. So this is a y value, so 2x equals 8. So what number times 2 gives me 8? Divide both sides by 2. So I get 4, 0. And then my other one, this is a x value, so we're going to cover that up. So I get 4y equals 8. Divide both sides by 4, so we find that y equals 2. And there's my line of best fit. Number 6, we have 3x minus 6y equals -12. This is another one set up for the x and y intercept, so I'm going to have blank, 0, 0, blank. This is a y value, so I'm going to get 3x is equal to -12. Divided both sides by 3, so I get -4. This is our x value, so we're going to cover that up, so I get -6y equals -12. Divide both sides by -6, so I get 2. Number 7, x minus 4y equals 8. Again, it's set up for the x and the y intercept. So blank, 0, 0, blank. That's a y value, so I just get x equals 8. Now that simplified nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an x value, so I get -4y equals 8. That's a y up there. Sorry, I made it kind of bad. Divide both sides by -4, so I get -2. Number 8, 3x minus y equals -9. Again, we're set it up for the x and y intercept. So blank, 0, 0, blank. Okay, that's a y value, so I'm going to get 3x equals -9. Divide both sides by 3, so I get -3. -3, 0. This is an x value, so I get -y equals -9. Multiply both sides by -1, so y equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I know I didn't sign the next page, but let's go ahead and go over it a little bit as a review. Go ahead and take the notes on this. So y equals 4. This is one of our special cases. Remember, y equals 4. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 up. This makes a horizontal line. So y equals makes a horizontal line. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. The x-intercept is none. It will not cross, won't cross this axis. The y-intercept is going to be 0, 4. Our other special case that's listed is x equals 4. So I go over x equals 4 right to here. This is going to give us our vertical line. Our slope of our vertical line is undefined. Our x-intercept is going to be 4, 0. Our y-intercept is none because it won't cross this axis. And then let's take a look at number 11. Y minus 2 equals 1/2 x minus 3. So let's get our point out. So I'm going to go opposite of -3, opposite of -2. So 3, 2 is right here. Our slope is 1/2. It's going to go up 1, right 2. There's our line of best fit. Number 12, y minus 1 equals -2 x plus 5. So our point is going to be -5, positive 1. Remember, always opposite values when you have the parentheses. So -5 up 1 is right here. And our slope is -2/1. So I'm going to go down 2, right 1. It goes down because it's negative. Number 13, y plus 7 equals 1/3 x minus 1. My point's going to be 1, -7. So 1, -7. My slope is going to be 1/3. It's going to go up 1, right 3. Make a dot. Number 14, y plus 4 equals x plus 3. Things to notice, there's a 1 out front there, and my point is going to be opposite of +3, opposite of +4. It's going to be down here. And then we have a slope of 1/1 because of that. So I'm going to go up 1, right 1. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to give you a sheet of paper. That sheet of paper, you can write problems down that we do and use that sheet of paper on the quiz on Friday, which is tomorrow. Okay, so make sure you put whatever you want on that sheet of paper, including what we're reviewing, and that should do it for you guys. Have a great day. Have a nice day.